In this diagram, we're told that AB is the diameter of the circle, and the arc length from A to C to B that I'm highlighting here is 12.5 pi. Question's asking us to find the radius of the circle. Well, you might instinctively think, well, I need to use the arc length formula. However, this is actually easier than that because what I highlighted there, that arc length, is half the circumference of the circle, right? Because we know that AB is the diameter. So that arc from A to C to B is just half the circumference. So really we can just use the circumference formula to help us out here. Remember that to find the circumference of a circle, it's 2 times pi times the radius. Now, in this case, though, we're looking at half of the circumference. So if we manipulate that formula a bit, half of the circumference would then just be pi divided, or pi multiplied by the radius. Okay. Now, plugging in that distance, we know it's 12.5 pi, right? So half of the circumference we know is 12.5 pi. And if we want that to be equal to pi times the radius, what's the value of the radius? Well, that's actually pretty quick and easy to figure out. We just cancel pi out on both sides, and there you go. You've got that the radius is equal to 12.5. And you could have used the arc length formula to get to the same answer. I just feel like this is a pretty good shortcut that we can use since that arc length is actually just half the circumference. So hope that was helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.